त्रेता युग में लोग
Tetra Yuga,
जपना आदि करते थे।
people used to do fire sacrifice, yagna.
द्वापर युग में
In Dwapar
अर्चन
Yuga,
आदि के द्वारा
Dwapani, they used to do archan and worship.
और कलि युग में
In Kali
ये
Yuga,
सत्य त्रेता द्वापर
Tetra
ध्यान
Dhyan. In Satyuga, it's
जगत
Dhyan,
की फल
meditation.
और
In Dwapar
अर्चन की
is
फल
archan
हे
food.
मतलब
And
नाम
so in
संकीर्तन
Kali
के
Yuga,
द्वारा
just
ही
by Harinam, we will get the fruit of meditation as well as
श्रीमन महाप्रभु नाम संकीर्तन की विशेष वैशिष्ट लिखा
all this.
सेतु दर्पणमार्जनम भव महादारम निर्वापणम श्रेय कैवचतिकाविवरणम
The fruit of meditation, the fruit of yajna, the fruit of archanam, you will be able to get in Kali Yuga is just by doing Harinam.
श्री कृष्ण संकीर्तन नाम संकीर्तन
So this is the glorification of Nam Sankirtam is the slok 1 of Sri Shastakam, Srimad Mahaprabhu.
अपने परिकर आदि को लेकर के आए
And with his all his parikars and his
गदाधर पंडित संसार राधा रानी
and Gadadhar Pandit Radharani, who is Gadadhar Pandit Radharani, Srivas,
सर्व दामोदर
Swarup Damodar,
राय रमानंद
Rai
आदि
Ramananda,
समस्त परिकर
all his parikars came with him.
अद्वैत आचार्य
Advaita Acharya is Satsad,
महाविष्णु
he is Mahavishnu and Sadasiv.
सदाशिव
And Sadasiv.
combined form of
He is a combined form of Mahavishnu and Sadasiv.
और श्रीवास ठाकुर
And Srivas Thakur is a Bhakta
तुम्ही वैकुंठ से लेकर के अयोध्या धाम
from Vaikunth.
समस्त गोलोक वृंदावन सभी परिकर
All the parikas from Vaikunth, Madhura and Golok Vrindavan, they all manifested, they all came in this material world.
सबको प्रेम प्रदान
And this is how they
जिससे
spread prem by Sankirtan.
अनर्पित जनित चिराग
Karuna.
वरुण्य अवतीर्ण कलो समर्पयतु उन्नत उज्ज्वल संभक्ति श्रियम हरि पुण्य शुद्ध स्तुति कदम संदीपित सदा हृदय कुंदरे स्फुरतु वह सच्चिदानंद। इस प्रकार सच्चिदानंद
And Gaur Hari.
सबको प्रेम प्रदान
In this way, Mahaprabhu spread
दूसरी युग में
Krishna Prem around
वस्तु
the
प्राप्ति
world.
हुई और कलि युग में
In Kali Yuga,
श्रीमान महाप्रभु
Srimad Mahaprabhu,
गुरु वृंदावन के सर्वोत्तम जो प्रिय
all the prem from Golok Vrindavan
नाम
spread
संकीर्तन के द्वारा
that
सब
prem
पशु पक्षी
here,
पेड़ पौधे
even to the flowers, to the trees, the birds, animals. He gave this
इसी
prem to
प्रकार
everyone.
बहुत सुंदर
So Mahaprabhu,
सबको प्रेम प्रदान आदि
he
करके
spread, he
नित्य
gave
धाम
this
में
prem
प्रदान।
to
बहुत सुंदर चले
everyone.
गए बहुत सुंदर उनके धीरे धीरे परिकर आदि
And then Mahaprabhu also left this world. And the Swarup Damodar, one by one, all his associations,
सब धीरे धीरे
slowly, slowly they
उनके
left,
प्रभाव
in this, from this world.
सूर्य आकाश में गगन में एक अंधकार
And it became, in Gaudiya, it became very darkness when all the parikas slowly, slowly left this world.
दूर करने के लिए
And to,
स्वयं भगवान
and then Bhagwan himself,
एक करके अपने परिकर के
and then he started to send, Bhagwan sent his parikas one by one to this world because it was so much darkness here. Then Narottam, Samananda, Srivas Thakur, they also manifested, they came here, and slowly, slowly, all the Mahaprabhu's parikar, they also came. And still the darkness started to spread. This is Kali Yuga. So the darkness, this is the nature of this Kali Yuga. So when the Mahaprabhu leaves, when the Vaishnavas leave this world, this darkness,
छा जाते हैं
then
बादल
this
छा
darkness is like cloudy, it gets very darkness. Then Bhakti Vinod Thakur appeared.
भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर प्रकट
Bhakti Vinod Thakur, when he appeared,
उन्होंने सहजिया सखी देखी
all these sahyas and Rekhi,
सहजिया लोगों की जो है
Sahaja,
करण भी किया जिसे कहा जाता है
and he destroyed all these sahyas and
सहजिया दलन
Sahajya Dalan. Dalan means
सब
who
कुछ खाते हैं
they eat everything, they do everything, and from the mouth they chant Harinam.
कली के जो
So in Kali
सात
Yuga,
स्थान को वो अपनाते दुतम पानम स्त्रियो सुना यत्र अधर्म चतुर्विधा ऐसे दुष्ट लोग
so all these bad people,
की प्रेम धर्म को लुप्त कर
and they covered this real true prem of Mahaprabhu's Krishna prem. So then Bhakti Vinod Thakur came
नष्ट है
and destroyed them.
फिर भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
And then Bhakti Vinod Thakur,
जगन्नाथ जी की शक्ति
and with the Jagannath Shakti, Bimla Devi's kripa, mercy of Vipranami, and he
ये भक्ति सिद्धांत
and he had son who was Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. By the kripa of Bimla Devi,
प्राप्ति होने के नाते
he had a son.
पुत्र के नाम रखा
He named the son
विमला प्रसाद
Bimla Prasad.
और भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada Bimla Prasad.
उन्होंने
He
महाप्रभु के प्रेम धर्म के पुनः प्रकाश
and he Prakash, he manifested the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Krishna Prem.
विचार
And Bhakti Vinod has,
विचार देखो खंडित विखंडित
and he
इसमें भक्ति सिद्धांत
destroyed this Mayavadi philosophy.
विशेष परिशिष्ट और श्री भक्ति
This was the
सिद्धांत
Mahaprabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhu, he himself then,
परिवार परिवार के भी
and he also came with his parikars. And his parikars also appeared in this world. This is called Prabhupada Dhara. Gaura Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj
भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती
and Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur
और भक्ति
Prabhupada.
सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद
Bhakti Siddhanta
अपने
Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada.
लिखने के लिए
And he also came with his parikars
पुनः जो है
and he appeared.
प्रेम धर्म और नाम
And he again started to spread pure Krishna Prem by Sankirtan.
विशेष करके नित्य लीला वैष्णव विष्णुपाद
So Nitya Lila Pravistam Ashtotra Shata Shishimad Bhakti Vedanta Keshav Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravistam Ashtotra Shata Shishimad Bhakti Madhav Dait Maharaj, Nitya Lila Pravistam Vishnupad Ashtotra Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Lila Pravistam Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj, Nitya Lila Pravistam Hum Vishnupad.
little far अष्टोत्तर से तजावर गोस्वामी महाराज नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सप्तशी
Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj.
सब परिकर
They all his parikars.
समय समय के अनुसार अपने
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada brought all these parikars.
इसलिए हम लोग हर रोज
That's why every day
प्रातः काल में गुरुवार के
in the
बाद
morning
हम लोग
after Guru Astakam, we do Prabhupada Astakam, Sujana Buddha.
ये प्रभुपाद की जो चंद्रमा के साथ तुलना दिया
Prabhupada is compared with the moon,
किरण
and the rays of the moon are his parikars.
जिससे चंद्रमा
That's why the
प्रकाशित
moon,
होकर
when the moon,
सारे अंधकार की जो है
when moon is there, all the darkness
इसलिए पता है,
is
एक
removed.
चंद्र तमोवन्ति,
So one
न तो
moon-
तारा कलियुगी। संस्कृत में
In
कहा जाता है,
Sanskrit, it says
देखो अमावस्या रात्रि में
during the Amyavas
अंधकार
night, during the darkness, full moon,
हजारों लाखों जो है ताराएं आपको दिखाई देंगी।
if you can see all the stars in the sky, but the stars cannot remove the darkness of during the dark
पूर्णिमा
night.
के दिन
But during the Purnima, during the full moon, during the Purnima, only one moon spreads so much light
विश्व के क्या बने
in
उजाला
the
कर
world, and
ठीक
there's
उसी
such
प्रकार
light on the earth. So similarly,
भक्ति
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada
चंद्रमा की बात
is compared with
और
the
उनके जितने
moon,
भी परिकार जो
and all his
ये
parikas
सात
are the
किरण
kiran, the rays of
the rays of the
moon. So all his parikas are compared to the
ये
rays of the
उनके परिकार
moon.
के द्वारा ही जगत में से उस परिकार में विशेष करके
That's special from this parikar, especially the Bhakti Pragyananda Keshav Goswami Maharaj and Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj.
आज
They were very prominent.
तिरुभाव तिथि
Today Swami Maharaj is Tirubhav Tithi.
यदि भक्ति सिद्धांत यदि
If
भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी
Bhakti
महाराज
Vedanta
जगत में
Swami
प्रकट
Prabhu,
नहीं
if he
होते,
didn't come in this world, appeared in this world,
आज महाप्रभु
then
के प्रेम धर्म
today Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's would have been Prem, Krishna Prem would have been hidden. So this is the speciality of Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj.
उनके प्रणाम मंत्र में भी लिखा है
Even in his
वेदांत स्वामी महाराज ये प्रणाम मंत्र
pranam mantra, Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishnaya Bhutale Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine.
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी विचारिणे निर्विशेष शूद्रवादी पाश्चात्य प्रभुपाद के अनेक प्रियजन
All the beloveds of Prabhupada,
पाश्चात्य देशों में गए
and
प्रचार आदि किया
they went to prachar in the world,
किंतु श्री भक्ति
but
वेदांत स्वामी महाराज
other disciples also went
पाश्चात्य देशों में
to
जाकर
preach outside
जो
India.
रूप में प्रचार किया
But Swami Maharaj,
न बुद्धो न
who preached around the world, nobody preached like Swami Maharaj around in the world.
क्योंकि ये पाश्चात्य देश के
Because
निर्विशेष और
Nirvishesh,
शून्यवादी
Sunyavadi, because
वो
all these
विलास में
Western
मत
countries,
करा
they were all absorbed in the Western countries. Everyone's absorbed in the Sanskrification
निर्विशेष बात में
and Nirvishesh.
डूबे रहते हैं। भगवान को स्वीकार नहीं करते
They don't believe in God
केवल बस
and
उसमें डूबे रहते हैं।
Bas. They were only absorbed in Sanskrification, eating, sleeping, mating, and
भारत देश 50 संस्कृत भारत वर्ष में जो जन्म लिया, और हम तो
whoever's
कह रहे हैं,
who has taken birth in India, they have some
तो
knowledge.
पाश्चात्य देशों में
But overseas in Western countries, they don't have any gyan.
हम लोग चलो जन्म कम से कम इतना ही तो राम कृष्ण के बारे में जानते हैं।
Actually, here in India, at least we know Ram and Krishna.
कम से कम चलो कुछ भी नहीं हो
But
दूसरी देवता पूजा भी
even if they do worship here demigods, they also worship demigods. They are following something.
भगवान के माने अथवा नहीं भी माने
Even if they believe in God or don't believe in
सभी
God,
कहीं न कहीं
here in India, they are always doing something.
है। किसी के घर में जाओ कम से कम
If you go to anyone's Indian's house, then you will see some murti
अरे
there.
वो करे कुछ करे
They are doing
तो
something.
कर रहे
They're worshipping demigods, or they have thousands of demigods in their houses, but they're doing something. But in Western country, they don't even do that.
सब भोग विलास में
They're all just totally absorbed in Sanskrification. That's why it's called Sunyavad. They don't believe in God.
शंकराचार्य की जो भी विचार जो है हम
The philosophy of Sankaracharya is,
मैं ही भोगता हूँ
I am Bhokta, I am the enjoyer.
सेवा करेंगे और विशेष करके वर्णाश्रम धर्म के जो
And
है
Varnashram
विचार
Dharma, they don't even have any
इसलिए भक्ति
rules for the which Varnashram Dharma.
पालन नहीं करे
If you cannot follow the Varnashram Dharma properly,
पारमार्थिक जगत में वो प्रवेश नहीं करे।
then you cannot go into spiritual life.
विष्णु आराधते पंथा नानक कारणम जो वर्णाश्रम धर्म नहीं
If you don't follow the Varnashram Dharma properly,
वो भगवान के प्रसन्न कैसे करें?
How can they attain Bhagwan? So first you have to follow the Vanas ashram. At least in Bharatwas, in India, it's called Rishi
क्या
Bhumi.
भूमि कहा जाता है?
It's a Rishi
ऋषि
Bhumi
भूमि, जहाँ पर
where
संत महात्मा
all the
ऋषि
Sant
आदि
Mahatmas and the Rishis are residing.
कहीं भी जाए कम से कम
Wherever you
राम,
go,
कृष्ण, हरि,
you will know,
हरि हो, महावादी हो, भगवान के माने अथवा नहीं माने,
even if people don't believe in God or don't.
ब्रज में आप चले
But
कहीं भी, आप
if you go to
सब क्या
Braj,
बोलेंगे?
Radhe Radhe, even if you go Braj, anywhere, everywhere, people will say
अरे वो
Radhe
भगवान के
Radhe.
माने अथवा नहीं
Whether they
कुछ
believe in Radhe, believe in God or not, but still they will say Radhe
विदेश में क्या
Radhe.
बोलेंगे? राधे राधे। और विदेश में जाओ क्या बोलेंगे?
But if you go in the village, when Western country, they say hello,
क्या बोलेंगे? हाय
hi or hello. What's up? What's up? That's why they got what's up.
क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पर कम से भगवान के
But
नाम
here in India, everybody will speak Bhagwan's name. That's why.
भारत भूमि पे जन्म हुई लो जा
So if you have taken birth in Bharat Bhumi,
भारत भूमि में जन्म लेकर के
if you've taken birth in this Bharat Bhumi and you don't do bhajan, then you are very unfortunate. Then nobody can be so much unfortunate if you've taken birth in Bharat and you don't do your bhajan.
उपकार के सबसे बड़ी
You should upkar means you give mercy to others, is take them to the,
भगवान की तरफ ले जाए
you should take them towards the path of Bhagwan, to the lotus feet of
आज
Bhagwan.
अभी तो विदेश में तो प्रचार करना थोड़ा बहुत सहज हो गया
Now it's easy to prachar, easy to preach in a Western country, but at that time during Swami Maharaj's
कितने लोग बोले
preaching, it was so difficult to do prachar in Western country. So many devotees sacrificed for me. In Russia especially, jail, many devotees went in jail. They sacrificed so much
प्रचार भी किया
and they were also tortured.
सहज नहीं
It's not that easy.
आजकल तो
Today, now we are traveling overseas
बैठ
and it's not so difficult now.
तथापि बहुत कठिन है
Still, it's difficult to to preach in a Western country.
इकट्ठा होना
Here you do katha, many people come here. But in a Western country, to even collect 10 people to come and hear to Hari Katha is very difficult.
10 व्यक्ति को एक जगह में बैठा
If you bring 10 people in one place and speak to Hari Katha is very difficult.
आप बात ऐसे ही है कि
Isn't that true?
जो लोग विदेश प्रचार में जाते
People who go, they know who go to the Western country to
बात
preach.
ऐसे ही है कि नहीं होता
Isn't that
10
true?
व्यक्ति एक इकट्ठा करके बैठा
To gather 10 people
वो भी अच्छे प्रसाद देना
in
पड़ता
one place is not easy, and also you have to give a very opulent prasad there. Here you can just give khichdi
दाल बना दो
and rice or dal, and that's okay. But in a foreign country,
पर भी
even if you give them so nice prasad, they still don't want to come into God consciousness.
विदेश में प्रचार करना बहुत कठिन
It's
है
very difficult to preach in a Western country.
हम इसलिए करें
I'm saying this
कितने
because
गुण चिला भक्ति सिद्धांत
that
प्रभुपाद
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada
एक
said
व्यक्ति के भगवान
that
मार्ग में लाने
to
के
bring
लिए
one jiva
500
to
गैलन
Bhagwan's, to take them into the God consciousness,
देना पड़ेगा।
you have to give
कितने गैलन
10
500
500 gallon of blood you have to give. How many gallons of blood do we have in our body?
एक पूर्ण वयस्क का जो व्यक्ति जो है युवा व्यक्ति की
So,
शरीर में कितने गुण
how much blood is in the one human body?
जैसे 5 से 8
So about 5 to 6,
किलोग्राम
5 to
ज्यादा से नहीं उससे अधिक नहीं
kilogram.
है? किंतु ये हमारा
But here, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada is saying, in one person, to bring one person and take them towards God consciousness or God's path, you have to give 500 gallons of
वो भी
blood,
आएगा किस तरह का आएगा
and that also they may come to Krishna consciousness, and then they may go even away. So it's not easy. That's why I'm saying to preach in Western countries is not so easy. You have to do so much hard work to bring one person to Krishna consciousness. Or still some will go to Karma Gyan, and then will go Gyan Yag and Vishesh Marg. They'll go into Buddhist path. To get this Gaudiya philosophy, preach that is not easy. So even if one or two people come in this path is still achievement. So in these Western countries to do prachar is very difficult. Very difficult. That's why Nirvishesh Sunyavadi. That's why in the Pranam mantra of Swami Maharaj is Nirvishesa Sunyavadi. He did so much hard work to spread Krishna consciousness, take them to Mahaprabhu's prem. He gave that in the Western country. That's why Gurudev used to say, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he has to spread Mahaprabhu's prem and Sankirtan. He's the avatar. He's Sat avatar of Nam Sankirtan. Without the kripa of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you cannot spread. He is the Shakti of the Nam Sankirtan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He gave that out to everyone. Mahaprabhu said, that I cannot give this Shakti, then it's not possible to do this prachar. If you have kripa of Mahaprabhu, then only you can do prachar of Suddha, pure prachar. And Mahaprabhu manifested in that heart of Bhakti. He went to a Western country at the age of 70, 67 he went at the age. And within the 10 years he did the preaching, and within 10 years he did the preaching around the world. And he also used to dance, and he made all the other devotees also dance. You can see that in the YouTube. Swami Maharaj with his gong, with his gong, and he's dancing. And thousands of Western devotees in orange clothes, and their head shaved. They even shaved their heads. And they started to wear dhoti and girta. Even here in India, Indian people don't want to wear kurta and dhoti. But you see in the Western country, and they put so beautiful tilak on. And actually, Western have like big bodies. They have big bodies. They're tall and they have big body. And then when they've got tilak on their face, they look like parikar of Mahaprabhu. And they are the parikars. They've been chanting with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are like a parikars of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They look so beautiful. That's why and he was over 70 years, Prabhupada. But when he's got kasat and dancing,
रथ यात्रा के देश करके
And
विदेश
during the
में
Rath Yatra,
ये विशेष सिस्टम बनाया।
and he made a system of Rath Yatra around the world.
ये ऐसे सिस्टम बना है स्वयं नृत्य करें।
And he's
हमें देख
himself
करके इतना मुझे
dancing at
पसंद
that
होता है,
age.
लेकिन मेरे हृदय में उत्साह आता है।
And I get myself in my heart so much stimulation, so
नाम
much eagerness. This-
हरे कृष्णा
Hare
कृष्णा
Krishna,
कृष्णा
Hare Hare,
हरे राम
Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
हम लोग देखा कि नहीं देखा?
You've seen?
यूट्यूब में देखे
You see it on
इस तरह की रथ
YouTube.
यात्रा
During, especially during Rath Yatra, thousands of people come there.
रिकॉर्ड हुई
And it's like Jagannath Puri appeared in the Western country.
विदेशी भक्त
Thousands of Western
और भी सिखा भी रहे हैं।
devotees are
हमारे
dancing.
भारतवर्ष में
And they also keep Sikha. But in
सिखा तिलक आदि रखने में
they are shy. In India, they are shy
कहते हैं हम
to put
हिंदू हो।
tilak or even Sikha. They say themselves, "Oh, we are Hindus."
गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू हैं।
You speak with your mouth and say you are Hindus, but you are not really
हिंदू
Hindus.
धर्म की जो है सनातन
But
धर्म की
the
विचार
dharma,
सिखा
you have to, according to Hindu, you have to put tilak and put Sikha, and you should have kantimala around
केवल
your
कहने से
neck
थोड़ी हो जाता है।
just by
ये गर्व से
speaking.
कहो हम हिंदू हैं।
By saying you're Hindu, but are you
सनातनी हैं,
really
हम
Hindu?
सनातनी हैं।
Are you Sanatani? By speaking, you don't become Sanatani. You have to follow the Sanatani. You have to put the tilak and you have to wear,
हिंदू देखो विदेश में
have
देखते
Sikha.
हैं।
But you see, in the Western
कितने
country,
सुंदर
they beautiful. They put such beautiful tilak on the forehead,
गले में
and then around the neck they have tulsi
हाथ
mala,
लेकर के
and with their arms, arms up, they are dancing.
बोला।
So this is the speciality of
उन्होंने
Swami Prabhupada.
संभ्रांत परिवार में तो प्रकट हुए थे
He appeared in a Vaishnava family in Calcutta.
कलकत्ता में।
In Calcutta,
उस समय
at
अखंड
that time,
भारतवर्ष था जिसमें है। और देखो उनके जीवन चरित्र बहुत सुंदर है।
if you look at his life history, it's so beautiful. You have to read again and again.
जीवन चरित्र
And then Mahapurush, if you don't read or listen to the life of Mahaprabhu, then how can we follow into Bhakti Marg?
और कैसे दीन ही
How? So how humble
महापुरुष के परिजन तब पता लगते हैं जब
Mahaprabhu Parijan.
जगत में प्रकट होते हैं।
When they appear, Mahaprabhu's Parikar, when they
अभी
appear,
पता नहीं लगते उस समय से पता नहीं जब उन्होंने
when
गृहस्थ
they
लीला कर रहे थे
when he was doing Grihastha Leela, then you don't know anything that they are Mahaprabhu's Parikars.
और उन्होंने वो बिजनेसमैन भी थे
He was a businessman. He was a wealthy.
लर्नड स्कॉलर
He was a scholar and very learned. And he used to call him Abhay Babu. Everybody used to call him Abhay Babu. In Bengal, in Calcutta, Babu means somebody who is very wealthy.
और लर्नड एंड स्कॉलर
And he was learned and scholar. Somebody who is learned and scholar, they use the word Babu
इसलिए सब लोग इसे क्या कहते
in
थे
Bengal. So everyone used to call him Abhay Babu. Abhay Charan Babu.
इसलिए गौड़ीय वेदांत समिति
That's why in Gaudiya Vedanti Samiti, when they manifested
उसके
that
नाम क्या था
Gaudiya Samiti,
हमारे
when
बाबू के
they-
भी
Abhay Babu was also the member.
चार व्यक्ति के लेकर के
There were four members.
केशव गोस्वामी महाराज
Bhakti Pragyananda Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he established the Chaitanya Gaudiya
और
Samiti.
अभय
And
विद्वान
Abhay
थे
Charan
और केवल
was
इससे
very well
भगवान
educated and he was very religious as well.
बड़े बड़े सभा के जो है वो आयोजन
And
करते थे
all these big communities and institutions, they used to
ऑर्गेनाइज
organize it. He was the best organizer.
उन्होंने एक बेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजर इज द बेस्ट प्रीचर
The best organizer is the best preacher.
बेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजर इज द बेस्ट
Best preacher.
ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे करें?
how you can organize his
बड़े बड़े
pressure.
सभा
So
ऑर्गेनाइज
this,
करते थे,
he used to organize big
बड़े बड़े पंडित को बुलाते थे,
big
सभा समिति करते थे।
programs, and he also
ये तो
used to
स्वयं
invite
दीन होकर के रहते, फ्रंट में
pandits.
नहीं आते। हैं?
But he didn't. He was dean. He
फ्रंट
was
में नहीं,
humble.
सामने नहीं आते।
He didn't come in the front.
सदियों के उनसे बड़े बड़े धर्म सभा,
But he used to organize all these big programs with his. But he was humble.
एक समय की कथा मैं सुना था,
I speak about one katha. Then he arranged one big program,
भारतवर्ष के
and all the
गणमान्य व्यक्ति जो है,
all the popular people, all the well-known. He
उन
invited
लोगों
all
को
the
भी
well-known
बुलाया।
Indian
उसमें विशेष
people.
करके नोबेल पुरस्कार प्राप्त रविंद्रनाथ
Rabindranath
नाम सुना कि
Tagore.
नहीं?
He was very famous,
उस सभा में उनके सभापतित्व पद,
and he invited him and made him chairperson.
और उस सभा में
And in that
बड़े बड़े
sabha,
पंडित लोग
also
भाषण
many
दी।
great pandits
और अंत
came
में
and they spoke.
सभा
so
के
much.
अंत में
And at
उन्होंने
the end of
रविंद्रनाथ
the sabha,
हैं?
this
ये जो
Rabindranath
बाल
Tagore,
सभी लोग जानते हैं,
he is very popular and famous in
रविंद्रनाथ
Bengal,
ठाकुर
especially in Bengal. He is famous.
एक है
In Bengal, there is two famous people. One is
और ये स्वामी जी विवेकानंद
Vivekananda, Vivekananda Swami.
उनके
He is also very well known in Bengal.
है, स्वामी जी कहते हैं। जैसे ब्रज में
And Swami,
साधु के बाबा जी कहते हैं,
like in,
और
in
बंगाल में क्या
Vrindavan,
बोलते हैं?
they call
स्वामी जी कहते
in Vrindavan,
Eh,
the sadhus
Swami
are called
Bhakti.
Babaji,
हैं। तब
and in Bengal they are called Swamiji.
और विशेष
Babaji,
करके
Swamiji.
भक्ति रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर,
And this Rabindranath
क्या
Tagore,
बोलते हैं? रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर,
Tagore, or Tagore,
Eh?
okay. In English it's called
How they
Rabindranath
present आज
Tagore.
तक
Even
स्कूल
today,
कॉलेज में
even in colleges and schools,
कोई रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर के बारे में थोड़ी सी कथा बोले,
if you speak a little bit about Rabindranath Tagore,
अथवा
even
भक्त स्वामी जी
about
विवेकानंद
Vivekananda,
के बारे में बोले,
even if you speak a little bit speech against Vivekananda or Rabindranath Tagore, especially in Bengal, oh, they will cut you into pieces.
रामकृष्ण परमहंस ये सब कथा बोले।
So Ravana,
चलो
Krishna.
उस सभा में
So in
देखो
this
रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर के
program,
आमंत्रण किया,
they invited
और उनको
Rabindranath
सभापतित्व
Tagore,
पद भी दिया।
and I gave him a
कथा के बड़े बड़े पंडित
chairperson.
लोग भी आए सभा में,
So all these great
बोलते
pandits
जाओ।
also came and they
इतने
also
समय
spoke.
रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर
And then Rabindranath Tagore,
चलो अभय चरण देके बोले
when he
आप
spoke to Abhay Charan, you speak. So he said to Abhay Charan, Prabhu, that you speak few words.
उन्होंने 10 कुछ समय बोला।
So he
सभा
spoke
के
for 10
भाषण में
minutes,
सभापति
and at the end of
रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर
some-
उन्होंने एक संदास जो है कोट किया,
and so
बोले
he
सभा
quoted one
कि
quote,
मैंने सभी
I
लोगों की मैंने भाषण श्रवण किया,
have heard from everyone,
एक
but
ऐसे
this is what
अभय चरण दे जिन्होंने भी कहा, जो
Tagore is saying, that
उनकी भाषण
but
सर्वोत्तम है।
so he clapped and he said the best speech was given by Abhay Charan.
एक भविष्यवाणी भी उन्होंने की,
He didn't even,
यदि वे विदेश में जाए, पाश्चात्य देशों में जाए
if you go to a
और
Western
प्रचार
country
आदि करें,
and do preaching,
भारतवर्ष की गरिमा जगत में
then
प्रतिष्ठित,
then the popularity of Bharat will be
रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर उन्होंने
this is, I'm not saying this is Rabindranath Tagore said that if he goes and speaks in a foreign country, then
इसके
the
पश्चात में सभा समाप्त हुई
Bharat would become famous.
और चलो समाप्त होने के बाद इसके पश्चात में आगे की कथा जो है,
Then after,
उन्होंने मायापुर में भक्ति
And then in
सिद्धांत,
Mayapur-
उस समय तो अंग्रेज शासनाधिकारी थे,
in
उस समय
Mayapur,
वो चल रहा था, क्या बोले फ्रीडम फाइटर,
freedom fighter in Mayapur.
मूवमेंट चल रहा स्वाधीनता के लिए,
So there was freedom fighters because it was British
भारतवर्ष से
colony
निष्कासित
at
करने
that
के लिए,
time.
निकालने के लिए।
India was colonized by British, and the
उस
Indians
समय
were
सभी
trying
आंदोलन
to
कर
get independence from British.
है उस समय और उस समय उन्होंने भी
Even
उनके भाग में
he also took part in that.
बहुत सारे सब ये चल रहे जैसे गांधी फ्रीडम फाइट भी चल रहा था
He was freedom
अनेक प्रकार के
fighting.
जो है, इस
Many
वक्त जो है,
things like that.
इतिहास
Many
बताता है।
political parties were going on.
और शिलावती
And-
अभय चरण देव
and
उन्होंने
Abhay Charan
भक्ति
also-
सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद की चरण
Then
किया
when he surrendered at the lotus feet of
और नवद्वीप
Bhaktisiddhanta
परिक्रमा
Saraswati
के
Thakur
अथवा
Prabhupada,
नवद्वीप धाम परिक्रमा
And
के
then
पश्चात
after Navadip
भक्ति सिद्धांत
Parikrama,
प्रभुपाद की
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, in the
उनके सारे
presence
बड़े-बड़े
of
शिष्य सब
all his disciples were sitting next to around Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada.
भक्ति सारंग
Bhakti Saranga,
गोस्वामी महाराज
Bhakta Saranga Goswami Maharaj,
बड़े विद्वान
very big scholar
प्रचार प्रभुपाद के समय
during the Prabhupada's time.
और सिला भक्ति हृदय
And Bhakti Hriday, one Goswami Maharaj,
बड़े प्रचारक थे सब।
oh, they were very great preachers.
केवल 5 दिन और 7 दिन में ही
Within 5 or 6 days, he learned language, German language.
और जर्मन लैंग्वेज आते थे
And with
सभा में उन्होंने भाषण भी दे
and he also spoke in German.
जहाँ पर बड़े-बड़े
And
लोग बैठते हैं
and he spoke and he lectured in German language. German is very difficult, very difficult language to understand, learn.
वहाँ पर मुझे और भी रॉयल फैमिली में
Even that, in a royal family,
भाषण दी
he spoke in German.
ऐसे
He
बड़े-बड़े
gave a lecture
प्रचारक
in
प्रभुपाद
Germany.
के ऐसे प्रचारक
So these were the
और उनके साथ
Prabhupada's
सब
disciples.
अकस्मात शिला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद
Siddhanta Saraswati
उंगली टेस्ट
Prabhupada,
करके उनके तरफ बोले
and his with his
ये आवाज
pointed at him and finger with it, hey, Abhay Charan,
प्रचार करें
when you go to Videsh and
महाप्रभु के वाणी
preach overseas, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Vani will be spread around the world.
जो लोगों ने मन में विचार करने लगे प्रभुपाद के तो बड़े-बड़े सब प्रचारक बैठे हुए
So he is thinking, Abhay Charan is thinking, so much great big disciples of Prabhupada are sitting around. It's like I am like a little Deepak, you know. I'm like a chota, very small Deepak, and where is the big sunlight, you know, big sun.
बहुत ही नहीं
So with a humble mind,
भक्त जो होते हैं
Bhakta hosts are very humble.
बैठे और इसके बाद देखते देखते प्रभुपाद जी का प्रकट हुए समय भी चला गया
And Samay went, and then also time passed, and Prabhupada also left this world.
एक क्या बोले एक केमिकल कौन सा केमिकल
Bengal,
बंगाल केमिकल इंडस्ट्री में
okay, he also opened the Bengal chemical industry, and that also failed.
इसमें कहा थे उन्होंने
That also failed.
भगवान इसके ऊपर कृपा करते हैं
So when Bhagwan does kripa on somebody, then Krishna takes all the wealth away slowly. He takes all the wealth away. When Krishna's Bhagwan's kripa is on,
भगवान क्या कर देते
what does he do? He takes away all the ashakti and he gives ashakti. He takes everything away from you.
और उनके फैक्ट्री
And his factory also
पैसा
failed.
सब इधर चलेंगे यह तक भी कहते हैं
And here is,
पैसा इतना नहीं था
so he didn't have that
उन्होंने
money.
जो
He didn't have that much money afterwards.
भगवत गीता
So,
और
in
एक दिन उसके
Bhagavad
पत्नी ने
Gita,
क्या की
there was a Bhagavad Gita in his house. What did his wife do was,
पकार समझ लो बाजार में क्या बोलते हैं, कागज पुराने कागज आदि
so you know when you go to a shop where you buy old
लोहा
books,
लकड़ा आदि खरीदते
old books,
हैं। एक दिन
or you
तो
can
उन्होंने
sell
क्या
old
की,
books there.
उसको
So what she did, she sold the Bhagavad Gita to this bookshop, the second-hand bookshop. And then Bhagwan, Then Swami Maharaj asked her, where is my manuscript of Bhagavad Gita? She said, oh, I sold that. I sold it for a cup, for the tea, for a cup of tea. So he said, oh, you should give up tea. And she said, no, I cannot give up tea. So then he said to the wife, do you want tea or do you want me? So she said, no, I want tea. So then he said, okay, you keep on drinking tea and I will leave. And then he left everything and came to Allahabad. Gurudev used to say that. And then after Allahabad, he came to Mathura. And but in Mathura, there is a Bengali Ghat. Bengali Ghat is where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bathed himself in Yamuna. So Chaitanya, all the Brajvasis thought Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Bengali. That's why that Ghat is called Bengali Ghat, that place where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had bathed in Yamuna. So there Swami Maharaj rented one place, one room there, and he started to live there. And then one day, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and he was doing morning walk in Mathura, and he started his walk from Vishram Ghat to Bengali Ghat. And then he saw Abhay Charan, and he said, hey Prabhu, what are you doing here? Gurudev knew him. They are our Gaudiya Samitis. Yes. So Narayan Maharaj knew him. That when my Guru Maharaj established this Gaudiya Samadhi, he was saying, Prabhu, what are you doing here? So, and he explained everything to Gurudev and Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And he said, oh, why don't you come to the mart? So Prabhupada said, no, I will not come to the mart. And especially in my old age, so it's even more difficult in old age to stay in the mart. You need hot water and so if you live in the mud, who will heat the hot water for you when you are old? Nowadays you have all these automatic like geysers. You can get direct hot water in the tap. But before we didn't have that facility. In our Mathura Mart, it was so dark that people not even go in that because it was so dark inside. So they say, oh, these Bengalis stay in this mart and they do this Tantra. They do all these tantric pujas and tantric mantras there. So nobody used to come. So Guru Maharaj got this was originally Dharmasala. So it was very dark inside. So nobody wanted to stay in the mud. Then Gurudev said, you come and stay in our mud. You don't have to do anything. I will arrange everything. I will wash your clothes. And also cooking, everything I will do for you. And still Swami Maharaj said no. So I heard this katha from Sesha Prabhu. Then the next day, early morning, Gurudev went to the Bengali Ghat, and he said, "Hey Prabhu, come with me." He put all his belongings in a rickshaw. He didn't have that many belongings. But he only had a couple of dhoti and soap, and that's it. And then Swayam Gurudev himself, he put everything in the rickshaw and he said, you come with me to mud. You don't have to do anything. Bas. The Hindi Bhagavad Patrika, you can edit Hindi Bhagavad Patrika. Other than that, you don't have to do anything. So forcefully, he brought him to the mud. And this is This is the Mahima, glorification of Gurudev. Because of Gurudev, he brought him to the mud. And he stayed in the same room that I also used to stay in the same room. So Swami Maharaj, he stayed in that small room. Nobody would disturb him. He would do his bhajan and translate. He started to edit the Hindi Bhagavad Patrika. And then afterwards, after a few months, when Bhakti Pragyananda Keshav Goswami Maharaj came to Mathura, then he also said to Swami Maharaj, you take sannyas. There is nothing in this material world. In the Shastra it says, life is not there. So you are alone. So you are alone now. So what is attachment? You told, leave this attachment to this material world. Who takes sannyas? Who takes sannyas? Sannyas is everyone who has got nobody, right? He's left the household, he left the wife died. Who can, in Braj it says, who can be sannyas? Who can be sadhu? No. So then who can, they have no source, no one. No one. They have no one. And Gurudev said, what is the purpose of life? Is to take sannyas. Sannyas is the... Until you don't take sannyas, if you don't have sannyas mantra, how can you get gopi bhav? Still he didn't want to take sannyas. There was one Maharaj called Sanatan Prabhu. There is one Prabhu, Sanatan. Then he said, oh, if this Sanatan Prabhu takes sannyas, then I will take sannyas. That's what Swami Prabhupada. So both of them took sannyas at the same time. And Bhakti Pragyananda Keshav Goswami Maharaj gave them both sannyas. And Gurudev, so whatever part of paraphernalia needed, all everything they needed for sannyas, Lord Gopin, Danda, Vastra, clothes. So Gurudev arranged everything. So that is the Mahima of Gurudev. I went somewhere and somebody said, oh, some Brahmin in Mathura gave him sannyas. That's what people say. Can the Brahmin give sannyas? No, Brahmin cannot give sannyas. Only sannyas can give sannyas. I went to a place in Brazil. Because you know about Swami Maharaj? I asked question, who did he take sannyas from? Who did he take sannyas from? So because I'll tell tomorrow. And we have to go and ask somebody who's sannyasi in the temple. So he said, then he came next day and he said that one Brahmin in Mathura gave them sannyas to Prabhupada. They know, but they don't say it. So then he took sannyas. And sannyas, after sannyas, his name became Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. Jhansi. So first he went to do prachar in Jhansi. And his sevak. And his Mahaprabhu Vigraha is, even his deity Mahaprabhu is, Vigraha is in Mathura. and he used to serve that
वो
Mahaprabhu.
भक्तिवेदांत साईं महाराज की
That is
सेवित
Bhaktivedanta
विग्रह है।
Swami Maharaj's worshipping deity.
इनके मथुरा मठ में जो है राधा कृष्ण जो है
In Mathura,
वस्त्र निर्मित
वो Radha Krishna,
और चैतन्य महाप्रभु
and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
पूरे अंतर है। और
Even
जीवन
now
में
the
आप
Chaitanya
देखेंगे,
Mahaprabhu is also there in Mathura. So in the mandir, in the temple, we have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna. But at that time in Mathura is, in Mathura Mahaprabhu is
जो वो विग्रह जो है साक्षात
that Vigrah.
साईं महाराज की
That Vigrah Mahaprabhu is Swami Maharaj's Vigrah. Worshipper. We used to worship that Mahaprabhu.
चलो आगे की कथा है। उन्होंने प्रचार आदि किया अपने
So he did prachar in
फिर
Jhansi,
विचार करने लगे
and then he came back
कि
and he
मैं
started to
भजन
think. He started to
और
think, oh,
उन्होंने
I'll do
मथुरा मठ
bhajan.
छोड़ करके
Then he left Mathura,
ये राधा
and
दामोदर
then he came to Radha Damodar temple.
और
And then he was doing his bhajan in Radha Damodar, and he was translated. Then Bhagavad Gita, he was started to translate Bhagavad Gita.
श्री गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी
Then
महाराज
Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he had so much love and affection for him.
बीच बीच में वृंदावन आते
And I used to come, now and then I used to come to Vrindavan.
और
And
हरि
I
कथा
used to sit with them, and both of us, we used to discuss Hari Katha,
और समझने पर वो क्या बोले
roti.
रोटी जो है
And Prabhupada used to make roti,
और उन्होंने रोटी को जो है
and he used to
और इसके
roll
पश्चात
rotis, and I used to
ठाकुर
roast
के
the
भोग लगा
rotis.
करके
And
नींबू
we'd
की अचार
offer to Thakur
नींबू
ji,
का अचार
and just no sabji, just a lemon pickle.
टेटियां टेटियां अचार खाया कि नहीं
I don't know what that is.
बाजार में
I thought
जाना
it's lemon
खरीद
pickle.
करके ले आना जो अत्यंत सुंदर स्वादिष्ट है
It's very
टेटियां
nice,
अचार कौन कौन खाया हाथ उठाओ
tatty. I don't know what is
आप
tatty.
ब्रजवासी
Tamarind.
ब्रजवासी होना चाहिए ना
Tatty is
ब्रज में
tamarind.
रह रहे हो और ब्रज की
So you live in the Braj and you don't have. You can't have
अचार
tamarind.
अचार नहीं
It's
करता अचार
pickle.
कैसे अचार बना
I don't know what that is, but Taruni says it's tamarind, so it must be tamarind achar,
मथुरा में रहते
pickle of tamarind.
प्रमाण का पूजा नींबू के अचार और पृथ्वी
And we serve achar, tatty ka achar in even Mathura. Premananda Prabhuji used to prepare that pickle,
और सरसों तेल
and we put some mustard oil.
है
I think that is lemon.
बाजार से खरीद करके ले आना
So
और ले
it's like a lemon pickle with mustard oil.
है जैसे बिल्कुल पानी आ जाएगा फिर आज का नाम सुनते टेढ़ी का अचार
Just hearing the speaking.
खिचड़े के साथ दाढ़ी काटने
Saliva in my mouth.
नहीं तो आप लोग के लिए मैं ले
But it's Kartik, so it's very nice pickle. But because it is Kartik, so we cannot have this in Kartik.
काम नहीं चलेगा आपको क्या खाना पड़ेगा मिर्ची
Oh, it's like cherries. Yeah. So it's not tamarind. So it's like cherries. It's
नींबू
not
का अचार
tamarind.
चाहिए
Yeah.
या
But tatties. It's tatties like small cherries.
इसके बाद भगवान की से संजोग हुई
And
और उन्होंने
then
विदेश
he,
के लिए
and then he started to make arrangement to
और कैसे
go
कष्ट करके
overseas.
जल जल जहाज
And with so much difficulty,
जिसे
he
कहा जाता है
went
कौन से जहाज
Jaladuta ship. He went
जाति बहन वाहिनी
from,
वो
it's
है
not like
क्या बोलते हैं
cargo ship. Jaladuta.
है उसमें कितने
So he went in a cargo ship.
2 महीने लगते हैं
So it took 2 months, over 2 months to get to US. Jaladut. So that cargo ship was Jaladut.
कितने बार भी हार्ट अटैक भी हुआ
And even during his journey, he got heart attack couple of times. And And he also wrote a beautiful prayers while during his journey in Bengali. You read his life, is so beautiful
कैसे
life
कष्ट
with
करके
so much sacrifice, so much difficulty, with so much difficulty. He went to Vides, Boston. So first stop was in Boston.
बोस्टन शहर वो भी जो लेक जिसके पास गए वो उतना ही ध्यान नहीं दी।
Then we
बहुत कष्ट
said
करके
very difficult, with so much difficulty. Prachar, he did preaching there.
हाँ जिस घर में ऐसे
And the place, in the house where he used to stay,
मकान में लोग हाथ पैर लोग हैं, उसमें ही करना। गोपाल गोपाल अग्रवाल
oh, he stayed in Gopal Agrawal's house.
अनेक इतिहास है हम इसमें करें इन लोग ने ऐसे ऐसे महापुरुष
These Mahaprabhus, we can see how with so much difficulty these Mahaprabhus did the prachar, preaching. And so even for 1 whole year, he tried to preach, but it was not successful.
विचार करने लगे
So then he started to think, maybe it's not desire of Bhagwan, it's desire of Bhagwan to preach overseas.
न्यूयॉर्क में आ गए
So he came to New York.
और देखो न्यूयॉर्क में आकर के एक
And then
पार्क
he came
में
to New York and he went in the park, Tompkins Square. So once he went to the park in New York, even now we go there
वहाँ पर बैठ के
and we sit there and do some Sankirtan.
श्री कृष्ण
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri
अद्वैत
Advaita
गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण और ठीक उसी समय कुछ हिप्पी लोग
And at that time some hippies came.
प्रचलन
So at that time hippies was very popular, you know. Hippies culture was very popular. They had long hair, like deadlocks,
क्या पीते हैं
and they used to smoke
नस्ली लेते हैं
drugs.
सिगरेट पीते हैं
They used to smoke cigarettes,
गांजा
ganja, and used to smoke ganja, marijuana,
गांजा
ganja.
गांजा क्या है
Marijuana.
सब लेते हैं सब लेते हैं
So everyone used to
और
take
विशेष करके
intoxication drugs.
हाथ पकड़ के, हैं? नाच रहे थे उनके पता नहीं है ये स्वामी जी क्या बोल रहे हैं क्या कर रहे हैं
They didn't know what Swamiji
बस वो
speaking,
लोग भी घूमने
but they were also started to
आप
dance.
यूट्यूब में देख लो
If you look at on the YouTube, they also started.
अमरानी के छुट्टी
You can see also Shamarani there.
बस
They were dancing.
अब पता नहीं है कि जो गंजा पी लेते हैं ना
As you know, when they take intoxication,
उनके थोड़ी
they don't know what they what Swami Maharaj is saying, but they were just dancing and moving their heads.
देखो प्रभु की कैसी कृपा थी
And then Prabhu's kripa, then with the kripa of Bhagwan, they also took shelter of Swami Maharaj.
साईं महाराज को साईं महाराज से उन्होंने
And with Swami Maharaj, they took also Diksha Mantra.
पहले साहब हिप्पी था
Pela, they had long hair, happy. Before they were hippies and now they became happies. Happy.
और वो भी लड़का लड़की जो थे कोई शक्ल नहीं था
Even though they were not ordinary, no, they were not just ordinary boys and girls. They were from wealthy families.
और लिखे पढ़े भी
Also, they were very educated.
ऐसे इधर नहीं था सब विद्वान भी है
They were wealthy
डिग्री
and
प्राप्त की है
they were educated with degrees.
और धनी व्यक्ति है
And
किंतु हर साईं महाराज के चरण में
still, but
गुरु के चरण में ऐसे समर्पित करके
and then they surrendered to the lotus feet of Swami Maharaj. Before they were hippies and now they became happy.
अभी आप कहे तो उसको अभी जगत गुरु भी बने साईं महाराज की कृपा जिसको हो जाती
So this is the kripa of Swami Maharaj.
है कि नहीं उसी कड़ी में हमारे Samrani Didi,
and there was Samrani Didi,
Krishna Maharaj,
Fatima Maharaj,
Bhakti Tatswarup Maharaj,
Bhaktivat Swarup Maharaj.
उन्होंने वहाँ पर भी संस्था भी स्थापन किया
And he
क्या
started to
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कृष्ण
internet.
भावनामृत
He also opened one center, one
संस्कृत
society,
इसकॉन का
ISKCON, society ISKCON.
और अल्प दिन में अति सारे विश्व में
And within such a short period, he opened so many temples.
ग्रंथ आदि चैतन्य चरितामृत
And Granthra, Chaitanya Charitrama,
श्रीमद्
and Srimad
भागवत
Bhagavatam,
भगवद गीता
and Bhagavad
जैसे
Gita,
ट्रांसलेट किया
and translated them into
और
English.
उस समय सभी लोग उनके साहित्य बनकर कैसे विधि कैसे प्रचार है
And everybody joined him to do the prachar. And they said, oh, and he used to say, disciples used to go and say, hey, Gurudev, what is our seva? So he said, he used to say, book distribution is my best seva. And so everybody started to distribute books. And all the bhaktas, all the devotees used to carry so many books on their shoulder and go to the railway station, airports, and everywhere. He started to do book distribution. That is called Priyad of the Mridanga. So that is the... In the Bharatvarsha, we give some rupees. You know, here we give some rupees, but in Western country you cannot get even any contribution from their own money. They're like dogs, you know, when the dogs will go to how. So they're like that. When you go to India, I go to India when I was in to cycle. And you know, when somebody they'll give you 1 rupee or 2 rupees, but in Western country it's not like that. So he said, oh, you can't, you have to stay in your own house, and you cannot start doing picture over there. So he started to distribute books, within very short period. The prachar went. So it's not in one language. We know one language. Even in Urdu, in all the languages, even Bhagavad Gita has been translated into Urdu. So he was doing so much prachar.
Chinese language,
Even Chinese, even China, right?
Russian language,
Even Gita in Chinese, Russia language, Russian language. There is not any language left that where the Bhagavad Gita in these books were not translated into. Okay, now we got. He did such a beautiful prachar. This is good. And Gurudev used to write to him. And Swami Maharaj also used to reply to his letters. I've seen so many letters from Swami Maharaj. And once a devotee came, they were discussing with Gurudev. So they wanted to know, what did Swami Maharaj gave this letter, wanted to read those letters. And they came and took the letters and they destroyed, but there is some letters left. And then Gurudev, there are some letters from America. And Gurudev used to send carters and Mathura peras and Vigraha, Mridanga. He used to send everything to America, to Swami Maharaj. So, and he, Mere Priya Bandhu Siksha Guru, मेरे प्रिय बंधु शिक्षा गुरु. He also wrote this book.
गुरुदेव के साथ उनके साथ कितने मित्रता थे.
So he has so much close friendship with Swami Maharaj. Jai Gurudev ki jai. Now we will do Puspanjali.
चला भक्त मैदान से स्वामी महाराज की जय जय श्री राम. अभी इसके बाद 10 कार्यक्रम अंग्रेजी भाषा में
And it will be